Hello and welcome to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare Pro products, its services and its usage. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can manage your muscle fever or else delayed onset muscle soreness that people or else you might very frequently experience post-workout. I'm going to share with you 3 important steps or else ways with which you can get rid of the muscle pain as soon as possible. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. So friends, the first step that you need to take in order to get rid of your muscle pain is Icepack. Definitely whenever you do workout, you do some activities which is vigorous, at that time there's a lot of fluid loss and due to which you might experience muscle ache or else muscle fever. With the help of cold bath or else cold pack, what it does, it minimizes or desensitizes the nerve which carries the pain sensation, which allows the body part to gradually come back or else heal. That's why cold pack or else cold bath is very helpful to get rid of muscle fever post workout. An ideal temperature that is helpful to get rid of muscle fever is 6 degrees. That's why what you can do is just take a simple tub, fill that with some ice and some cold water. Just lie down on that water for some time, and this cold bath would be helpful to get rid of all that muscle fever. Coming to the second method of dealing with your muscle fever is doing adequate warm up and cool down exercise. Doing stretching exercises before starting the workout and doing some gentle pumping action or else pumping movements post workout allows the body to stay flexible and also allows the good circulation of blood. This circulation of blood prevents accumulation of the toxins in the muscles and thus helps in preventing muscle fever or else muscle soreness. Coming to the third way of dealing with muscle fever or muscle soreness is taking TENS therapy. TENS is an electrical modality which desensitizes the pain carrying sensation or else stop the pain carrying sensation to the brain. This temporary application of current or else electrical stimulation is very helpful to get rid of muscle fever. So friends, these are the 3 important ways with which you can get rid of muscle fever. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, share your feedbacks in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.